In the verse, we'll use 4 chords: D major, D, F sharp, A, E major, E, G sharp, B, C sharp minor, C sharp, E, G sharp, and F sharp minor, F sharp, A, C sharp. The A is pressed down. Let's switch between those every 2 beats like so. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's D major, E major, C sharp minor, F sharp minor. In 2 hands, the verse pattern could look and sound like so. 1, 2, change every 2 beats, D, E, C sharp minor, F sharp minor. The chorus pattern also features 4 chords with 1 new one. We begin on A major, A, C sharp, E, then to C sharp minor, C sharp, E, G sharp, then to F sharp minor, F sharp, A, C sharp, finishing with D major, D, F sharp, A. Each of those chords get a full measure, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. C sharp minor, 3, 4. F sharp minor, 3, 4. D major, 3, 4. In 2 hands, the pattern could look and sound like this. Starting on A major. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,